For the last several videos we've been combining hymns with classical composers. Today I thought we would jump into more the modern, postmodern era, into the 21st century, well and truly into the 21st century with the Korean-born composer YIRUMA. Let's pinch some of his popular riffs in his left hand and mix them into an arrangement of the hymn I Cannot Tell. Let's get started. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Join me every Thursday for piano tutorials, whether you're new or returning to piano. And on Mondays, I'm putting out some meditation videos for you just to throw on and enjoy. Please feel free to share this video on if you think a friend would enjoy. And also a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, let's jump into the lesson for today. Let's talk about these numbers that we have down the bottom here. If we go on an A, we can have 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. And that is a little feature that I love to throw into improvisation and other different things that I'm playing. Maybe down to the D. 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. And that's what it would look like there each step of the way. YIRUMA often features these 8th, 9th and 10th notes also down in the bass lines. In River Flows we see the bass pattern feature up to the 8th note, then the next chord to the 9th note, next chord to the 10th, next chord 10th, and that progression goes all the way through his River Flows. In Kiss the Rain, he also features these 8th, 9th and 10ths, but in different directions. So we have 9, 8, then 10, 8, then 9, 10. And then he also goes on to feature 9 to 8, 10 to 8, and 10 to 7s. So a lot of 8, 9s and 10s, as you can hear again. So if we go from our A, and if we stay in that key today, let's number our degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going, 9 to 10. Someone recently mentioned that they were a beginner, and so why wouldn't I just have the letters, and that's useful. So I'm still trying to throw those onto the piano for you guys so that can help you out. But the reason that we start to chat about these numbers and where we're going with in relation to 1s, 5s and 8s is that this can really help to build an understanding that then we can transfer into any key or start anywhere on the piano. So let's put together today some hymn bass line patterns for I Cannot Tell. As you might recognize, this also matches the traditional Danny Boy lyrics. So we're down into the key of D, so our 1 is actually D, and then I'll call out the numbers in relation to that as well, but I'll still add some letter names if you like. So 1, 5, 9, hold 8, then to the G, 1, 5, 9, hold 8, back to D, 1, 5, 9, hold 8, A again, 1, 5, 7, this time to the 8. Now 1, 5, 9, hold 8, G again, 1, 5, 9, hold 8, then A, hold, and then 1, 5, 9, hold 8, A, hold, and then we're going to do a D with a 1 and a 5 there together, 5, 4, 3. And that is all the verse material for I Cannot Tell. chorus, let's start down on a D5, 8, hold, G5, 8, hold, D5, 8, hold, D bass, C sharp, B5, 8, hold, G5, 8, hold, A5, 7, 8, A, B, C sharp bass is 8, 5, 8. And then let's throw in this beautiful bass part by Harold Samuel, thank you, from Celtic Woman's Danny Boy. We have this bass line. A, hold, D5, 8, G5, 8, B7, G. So let's put it all together now into a full run, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope those Yiruma inspired ideas can give you some connection and motivation for your playing this week. Enjoy. Ta-da.